The evolution of farm equipment will be on display at this weekend's Breakfast on the Farm in Brown County. We welcome Dan Weezy and Noah LeCount. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Dan, remind us briefly, it's Sunday. We need to head to your farm.
Sunday, June 2nd, yeah. Breakfast starts at 8 a.m. Should be lots for everybody to do. Trying to get something for everybody. Lots of things for the kids, big sand pile and bale maze, things like that. And for the adults and older folks, we've got a whole host of equipment to look at, both old and new, some spanning 100 years.
Well, we were going to talk about that. You reached out now. You own an impressive piece of equipment. It gets things done in a little bit different way than our farmers are used to. Introduce us to your steam engine.
Yeah, it's a little bit slower than the equipment that we have now, but 1924 Minneapolis threshing machine company steam engine. Primarily used back in the day to break sod in the prairie, and locally here they'd run threshing machines with them.
Why was this important for you to have and showcase?
I like keeping the history alive. It's kind of a fun toy to play with on the weekends as well, but it was an opportunity to get to play with something that's 100 years old. I couldn't pass it up.
Yeah, when you look at it in operation, this took a lot of hands for harvest to work, right?
Yeah, many people. It took a lot more per acre to get the job done with the amount of people that you needed. You need water, wood, people tending that back and forth to the engine all day, and then multiple people throwing bundles into the threshing machine.
Gosh, when you think about that, 100 years doesn't seem all that long ago. The evolution we've made, right, in those years.
Yeah, it's a lot quicker, a lot faster now. Everything's a little bit bigger.
Dan, speaking of farms growing, that is something that Weezy Brothers is really excited to showcase to the community, is how through the years you have grown and evolved and continued to serve. There's a lot of families now that are part of this family operation.
Yeah, we're a family operation. There is quite a few. You know, we started out with 7 brothers and grew. Only 2 original brothers left farming, and some cousins that are working on taking the farm over. We have a very interesting story, and we're kind of excited for everybody to show it and open up the doors and have a look.
The farm tour is always, I mean, breakfast is fantastic, but the farm tour truly is a highlight of the event.
Yep, absolutely. Picture with a calf, you know, all those kind of things. There's a petting zoo, so a lot of fun things that everybody should be able to do.
So where are we going to find your steam engine during Breakfast on the Farm?
We should have it in the lineup, hopefully right next to a brand new combine to kind of show the 100-year difference of what they had then and what we use now, and should be out in front of the dairy.
And to see these machines in operation, we have a number of events throughout the summer. Are any specifically lined up that you wanted to chat about?
We'll be at the Simcoe Threshing Show this year, later July.
Okay.
Plan on bringing it there before it heads back to Minnesota for the year.
Well, we appreciate you pointing this out. A great photo op, a chance to ask some questions. Maybe there's even a few farmers in attendance who used machines like this. It's an important chance to share stories at Breakfast on the Farm. It's happening Sunday, June 2nd at Weezy Brothers in Greenleaf, 8 a.m. to noon. Thank you both for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you.